Yeah, right now it's my office in Sanford South, South Africa's for Central Union or Workers Union, John Bonham, which is Secretary, where Union or Babu Timothy Bishop Nobo. So, yeah, Young Indo, Yamba, perfect.
Yeah.
Mlosi Magama Gwash.
Mandla. Wethu comrade sithi asiwelcome uVector angithi
Vector
logistics Vector logistics sithi sesiphakathi abaqasha bazi sesikhona ka Vector sizodila ngama issues hayi indaba yokudlala and we will make sure ukuthi ama unfair dismissal awenzeki sikho ama unfair labor practice awenzeki sikho ama exploitation of workers akenzeki sikho intimidation yaba yokuthi abasebenzi bayithuke be ama conditions of employment engasakwazi ukubenza babe happy emsebenzini sikhona njenge Sanford South Africa is not for sale workers union mandla that's all.